problem,
Good.
not my face. Okay. I'm going to show you guys 3-2, part 1 homework. And this is the area method. And so here's how it works. We're going to solve 932 divided by 4. And since it's the area method, we're going to need to draw our rectangle. And this 4 is on the side here, so it's going to go on the side here. The 932 is on the inside here, Lily. So it's going to go on the inside here. And then I'm just going to kind of put that 4 here so I can see that this is my division problem. All right. First, my teacher always says, fence, steps, fence, steps, fence, steps. I'm going to put my fence up, and then I'm going to do my steps. My steps are, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers? Divide, multiply, subtract, check. All right, fence, steps, fence, steps, fence first. I'm going to underline the 9. If I have 4 friends, would 9 pieces of candy be enough for my 4 friends? And it would. So my fence is going right there. I'm really going to think of this as 9 divided by 4 because I don't have count bys all the way up to 932. I'm going to be here all day. And my teacher is really nice. She's the best teacher ever. She doesn't make me count by 4s all the way to 932. So I'm going to do 9 divided by 4 instead. And I notice that I'm in the hundreds place, so I know that this quotient will be in the hundreds place. Okay, I'm ready to divide. Divide means to do my count bys for 4s. Now I can even say this 4 is on the side right here. So I can go to this 4 right here that's on the side. And I can follow it in until I get as close to 9. 4, 8, I can't do 12 because I only have 9. 8 is close. And I can follow it all the way up to the tippy top. And that's the number that goes at the tippy top. 2. Okay? Or I can do my count bys. 4, 8, 2. 2 is going to be my number. So 2 is going to go up here, and I have to pay so much attention to place value that because my fence was in the hundreds place, that 2 goes in the hundreds place. And that 2 is really 200. Okay, my next step, multiply. 2 times 4 is 8, with 2 zeros is 800. My next step is subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2, 3 minus 0 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1. My next step is to check, and now I'm going to check to see if I have 132 pieces in my bag. Can I keep dividing among my 4 friends? And I am not selfish. Of course I can keep dividing. So I will keep dividing. I'm going to add more to my friends' candy. They have 200 already, but I'm going to give them even more. So I'm going to take that 132 that I still have. I'm going to put it up here. I still have 4 friends. My friends aren't going to change. They're not going to leave me. I'm giving them candy right now. All right, and my teacher told me fence, steps, fence, steps, fence, steps. I'm going to make my fence. 1 piece of candy is not enough for my 4 friends. Oh, I would have some friends so mad at me. I'm going to go all the way to the 3 and put up my fence. I'm now in the tens place, and that's good. I was in the hundreds. I want to be in the tens place. That makes sense to me. Okay, so now I'm going to do 13 divided by 4. 4, 8, 12. I can't do 16, so 12. Follow it to tippy top. My 3 is going to go on the top. My 3 has to go right above that tens place, so it's really 30. Next I multiply. 4 times 3 is 12 with 1 0. Next I subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing. Now let me check. 12 pieces of candy and 4 friends? Oh yeah. I'm going to keep giving. Add more. I have 12 pieces, so that's my new one up here. I still have 4 friends. Okay? Fence, steps. Fence, steps. 1 piece of candy is not enough for my 4 friends. I'm going to go all the way to 12. Hallelujah! I'm almost done. I'm in the ones place. That means I only have to do these steps 1 more time. Okay? I have to divide. 12 divided by 4. 4, 8, 12. Follow it to the tippy top. There's my 3. My 3 is going to go in the ones place because my fence is there. Next I multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract. I have 0. Can I keep dividing? No, I'm out of candy for Pete's sake. Okay? Now I just have to rewrite my answer. I have 2 in the hundreds place, so I'm going to put that 2 right above the 9 for 200. 3 in the tens place, so the 3 goes above the 3 for tens. And a 3 in the ones place. My answer is 230.